Welcome back to 3-Minute Ado. Today, we're going to learn about SWOT analysis, one of the easiest and most powerful tools in business strategy. And we'll use Apple as our example. So, what is SWOT analysis? SWOT stands for S. Strengths, W. Weaknesses, O. Opportunities, T. Threats. SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool used to identify and evaluate the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats related to a business, project, or individual. Let's break them down simply, with a little twist to remember. Strength equals internal positive. Weakness equals internal negative. Opportunity equals external positive. Threat equals external negative. Let's take Apple as our example. Strength, internal positive. Apple has a strong brand reputation and loyal customers. Their design, innovation, and product quality give them in strength. This is an internal factor that helps the company. Weakness, internal negative. Apple's products are expensive. Not everyone can afford them, which limits market reach. This is a negative point within the company. Opportunity, external positive. There's growing demand for wearable tech like smartwatches and health devices. Apple can expand in that market. This is an external chance for growth. Threat, external negative. There's heavy competition from Samsung, Google, and others. Plus, global economic slowdown and trade tensions can hurt Apple's performance. These are outside challenges the company has to face. So, why use SWOT? Because it helps you understand where you are, what you have, and what you should watch out for, whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or a business giant like Apple. Quick recap. Strength equals internal positive. Weakness equals internal negative. Opportunity equals external positive. Threat equals external negative. Use SWOT to plan better, stay smart, and grow stronger. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.